Being a member at Wright-Patt Credit Union is truly unique. We really are about helping people through life, and we always have been. Hi, I'm Doug Fecker, CEO of Wright-Patt Credit Union. I'm proud to be a part of a group of people who are completely committed to serving others, you and your fellow members. This philosophy began way back in the 30s when everyone was struggling to make it through the Great Depression. Back then, credit was almost impossible to come by, so a group of people pooled their resources, just 25 cents each, to help each other out in a time of need. Today, Wright-Patt is the largest credit union in Ohio with about $2 billion in assets and close to 200,000 members. But the spirit of community instilled in our organization by our founders is still alive and well today. Here, let some fellow members tell you how Wright-Patt has made a real difference in their lives.
Working on my doctorate in education, I'm very, very involved in teaching myself and helping people learn about finance. Necessity makes you think you should make one choice, but you really ought to be making a different choice. Melissa was just great like that. It was like, this is what I think you should do. If you're in a bank that doesn't have that, then you need to come to Wright-Patt because they do that.
At first, I joined the credit union because of the convenience, because I'm an employee at Wright State University. But over the years, I've stayed a member because of the customer service. Well, I'm married and I have 2 children, a daughter that's 29, a son that's 28, and they're both members of Wright-Patt Credit Union.
So I spent a long time in the hospital this summer, and the reason I joined was so that she could actually put money in my account. And then my experience with it's been excellent. My bills are paid every month. The online payment, a lot of my doctors don't accept online payment. But with Wright-Patt Credit Union, automatic bill pay, and they send a check out.
I moved here from India about 5 or 6 years ago. It's kind of hard for immigrants to establish themselves in this country, but if there are credit unions like Wright-Patt, it makes their life better. It was a new country and a new experience, and all that I had was an American dream. So I worked hard, I established myself, and when it was time to buy a house, I thought of going to Wright-Patt, and they helped me fulfill my American dream.
Many Wright-Patt members have been able to make dramatic changes in the way they manage their money. Taking control of just this one area can really affect your whole life. Just listen to these stories.
My wife and I were looking at getting out of debt. The bank that we were going to, she had been a member there for, I guess, ever since she opened a bank account. When we went there, they basically said, we can't help you. We went to Wright-Patt Credit Union, talked to Melissa, and it was just like a huge weight was lifted off us, because right away she said, yeah, we can help you out. My wife and I are both funeral directors, and in our profession, we're there to help our families through a really tough time. And that's absolutely what Wright-Patt Credit Union did for us.
A few months ago, my husband had lost his job, and I was pregnant with Seth.
We got an email, just a news update saying there was a video contest. I was like, well, this could help us out because I just recently lost my job.
I had no idea that we would win. I really was not confident at all because there was nothing special about it. It was just me doing the best I could with the resources I had and just telling the story of what happened to us. And Wright-Patt really helped us feel confident that we would be okay for the future.
Wright-Patt is about people, their lives, stories, and their ability to live out their dreams. It's something we take very seriously. Because Wright-Patt is member-owned, all our services revolve around what works best for you and not what's going to make more money for us. As a member, through your volunteer board of directors, you even have a say in how your credit union is run. At Wright-Patt, we help people through every stage of their lives. We really want you to save better, borrow smarter, and learn a lot. Join us, won't you?
I do feel that Wright-Patt Credit Union is crazy about their members. They have a passion to help people.
I'm just going to keep telling people that this is the place to do business.
Wright-Patt must be crazy about its members because they keep giving us money.